Hi everyone, welcome to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through my evening unwinding routine. After a long day of work and shoots, it's essential for me to take some time out for myself to relax and rejuvenate. First, I like to prep my shower for a relaxing unwinding routine. I light my favorite candle to calm me down along with some soft music to set the tone. I like taking a quick warm shower to take the day off. I use the Plum Hawaiian Rumba shower gel that leaves my skin feeling refreshed without leaving it dry, and it smells so good. I like to lather this body butter from Arcelia right after my shower because it gives me that soft, supple feeling skin that I like to go to bed with. My go-to first cleanser is the Bobbi brown oil cleanser to take the makeup off since I don't like to wash my face in the shower. Skincare is the highlight of my nighttime routine. I follow it up with the Derma cleanser, which makes sure to take away any residual makeup or sunscreen. I've got all these products from SSBeauty, and you can too by ordering it online or visiting your nearest SSBeauty or Shoppers Stop store. Here I'm using the Quench pink clay mask. It's one of the best ones out there. I use it once a week to detoxify my skin. While the mask works its magic, let's prepare something for dinner. Self-care is not just about skincare or body care. It's much more holistic than that. Having enough water throughout the day, eating a balanced meal, and getting at least 30 minutes of workout are important for me to make me feel healthy from the inside out. As I leave my dinner to get fully cooked, let's get started with my nighttime skincare routine. I start off with a toner to add the moisture back in my skin since I used a clay mask earlier. I'm using the toner from the Dot & Key, topping it off with my absolute favorite Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I let it absorb for a minute or two before I go ahead with a generous dollop of the cult favorite Clinique Moisture Surge. This hydrates my skin and leaves it feeling so moisturized. Every step is like a little ritual to pamper my skin. The last step is this lip mask. I put on a thick layer before I go to bed and wake up to super moisturized lips. The last step of my routine is the foot mask from Quench. It deeply hydrates my feet and is a quick pedicure at the convenience of my home. And with that, my unwinding routine comes to an end. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to take out some time every day to pamper yourself. Until next time, take care, stay beautiful, and subscribe to the SSBeauty channel.